Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open Roblox Studio and load your place file, then use File Publish to Roblox as to create or update the experience entry on the website. Before finalizing, add a 512x512 icon and a 1920x1080 thumbnail to present professionally in search results. Save a local RBXL file as a backup and increment your version or date in the file name so you can revert if needed. This keeps a clear rollback path while publishing. Open the game settings in Roblox Studio or the experience page online and set access to public so anyone can join, then choose a genre that matches your content. Set max players to a practical limit, for example 16, and decide if you want VIP servers or reserved slots. Enable or disable third-party sales and HTTP requests as necessary. Fill in a concise description, add relevant tags, set age and parental controls, and save these settings before publishing live. To monetize, create game passes or developer products in the Developer Hub, attach assets, and set prices in Robux. For example, a common game pass might be 50 Robux. Test your published experience by launching a play solo test, then perform a live test with friends or team members to confirm multiplayer, server behavior, and monetization flows. After launch, monitor analytics for player retention and earnings. Then iterate by publishing incremental updates and bumping the version with bug fixes and new content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.